Hello, friends. Welcome to Saving with Cecile. I'm here at CVS to do my weekly deals that I want to share with everyone because these deals are very good. On this deal, I am saving about 83%. If this is your first time, thank you so much for tuning in and watching Saving with Cecile. If you're subscribers, thank you for always coming back and watching Saving with Cecile. I will break down my deals in three different transactions because the way I shop at CVS, I like to roll over extra bucks and roll over. And on my last transactions, the one I'm going to do in this video, my auto packet, it will be zero. And then you will see that deal, the one I did. So my first transaction, I have to spend. So I put together. I want to do this deal. I have to spend the 25 on sun care, sun care product, and then I will get $10 extra bucks. And guys, you know that summer is almost here, and anyway, it's already hot where I am right now. So I don't. I really need some sunscreens because a lot of time when I'm at work during my lunchtime, I like to go outside and I like to get to my 30-minute walk, guys. So the sunscreens is very important to me. So what I did, I grabbed two solar can, the spray for $9.99. So the total for two is $19.98. I don't have any digital coupon for these items, but I have a Abota offer, and I will get a good cash back from Abota. So to get to the threshold of spending 25, and then I added this Capiton sunscreen lip balm for $5.99, and then we have $4 digital coupon. So the total is $25.97, and after coupon you will pay $21.97. And also, I want to let you guys know that all these items, the one I grabbed for my first transaction, they are qualified for HSA. So if you have a HSA, you can pay with HSA, and then you don't have to really use your money. You can just use uh, HSA. So after going paying, so outer packet you can see is $21.97, and then after paying, I receive $10 extra bucks for spending 25, and also I submit my receipt to Abota for $5 each. So for buying the solar can, I got for Abota, I got $10. And you can do, if you want, you can do this one up to 5 times, guys. This is how Abota is giving offer up to 5 times, which is making the final cost for my first transaction. All item over here, the final cost is only $1.97 or 97 cents, or is 65 cents each, guys. This is a really good deal. When I did this deal, I was like, I want to share. So I'm here, and then I'm like, well, I'm going to do the second transaction. Now I have $10 extra bucks. So for my second transaction, and I want to now do this deal is spend $30 on summer event products, and then you will get $10 extra bucks. So I'm gonna roll over the $10 extra bucks, the one I earned on my first transaction. So I grabbed a one tide liquid. It's on sale for $14.99, and then I keep a $3 digital coupon. I add a one down dish for $5.99, and then I keep a $2 digital coupon. And to get to the threshold of spending 30, and then I found that we have this L'Oreal Revitalif for $9.89, and then we have a $5 digital coupon. So the total is $30.87, and the total after coupon is $20.87. I use $10 extra bucks, the one I previously earned. And also in my account, I had 3 extra bucks, the one on last week. And out of pocket, I pay $6.87 plus tax, which is, you can see on my receipt, is $7.44. This is how much I pay out of pocket. And then I earn $10 extra bucks, and I earn $10 extra bucks for this. So now I'm ready to go do. I have a $10 extra bucks, so I'm gonna look for something for my last transaction. So since I have a $10 extra bucks, so I'm here in the store and then looking how something that it will cost me $10 or little bit over, and earn some extra bucks. So I went and then I found this, and I grabbed a 2 degrees woman deodorant for $6.59. It's on promotion. Buy one and get one 50% off. And then when you buy two, you will get $3 extra bucks. And also we have offer from Fetch. If you watch my video on Walgreens, I always do this and then submit it to Fetch for the degrees. And also we have I clip $4 digital coupon for the deodorant. And I added one gold bond, but because I told you guys I have $10, so I was looking how I'm going to spend this $10. So I saw this gold bond body powder. The price is $5.59, and then we have $1.50 digital coupon. And also is on promotion. When you buy one, you will get $2 extra bucks. So my total is $15.47, and then I have a $4 digital coupon for the degree, and $1.50 digital coupon for the gold bond. And which it will be after this coupon, my total it will be $9.97. But and then I'm gonna use $10 extra bucks. I know that I'm gonna lose 3 cents, but it's okay. It's better for me to lose 3 cents than add some of my money. So my out of pocket, guys, when I went, I did this. I'm sorry, there is a thunder over here. It's raining. If you can hear that, I'm sorry about that. So my out of pocket, I paid zero. I didn't pay nothing, and then I earn $3 for buying 2 degree deodorant, and then I earn $2 extra bucks for buying the gold bond powder. And also, I submitted my receipt to Fetch, and then I earned $2 back for buying the degree. And I just and I was like, okay, now I have a $5, and I'm like, I was about to look for something else. The one is gonna cost me $5, but I just stopped here because the internet connection in this CVS is really bad. But I took home this $5 extra bucks, so it's $3 for buying degrees, and $2 for buying the gold bond. And also I earn $10 for my butter. You remember when I did my first transaction for solo can, I have to submit to a butter, and then I got that $10. And also I got $2 from Fetch. So I spent, guys, $29.41 out of pocket, and then I took home all the products in the one I'm showing over here. And beside the product, I got $5 extra bucks in my account. So we have three for degree and two for gold bond. And also, I got $10 for my butter and the $2 from Fetch, which makes the final cost for all the items over here only $12.41. The items, the one that have a value of $79.91, and then I got them for only $12.41, which is like about 83%. Let me know, guys, what do you think about my CVS haul, the one I did it today? So if you enjoyed this video, please give me thumb up. If you do not subscribe yet, please subscribe, and don't forget to push the notification bell so you can be notified next time when I'm going to upload a new video. And leave me in the comment section which transaction do you think is good, and let me know. And thank you so much for watching, and take care. Bye bye.